Will you smack that man? Thank you very much. Tie down, madam, I can escape. Fine. Video this, you have to send it to Abuja immediately. All of them are claiming Boko Haram. Okay, you see, Megeri, you know what I fear now? Those who went to university that day may not be Boko Haram. It may be these students trying to grab students to collect money. They may not be Boko Haram. I'm telling you the truth, Ibrahim. Yes, sir. They may not be Boko Haram. You know, if you break somebody good now, you shout Boko Haram. I'm suspecting this.
Thank you, sir.
That's student, yeah.
That's student. Somebody I can tell them.
Of them,
Everybody needs to know what to do. All these Boko Haram, it is we that we are receiving the result. They say Boko Haram is supporting my degree. We are the one receiving the result. We are not the one. Honestly, because after this officer, we are going to but you people show me Boko Haram is not my degree. Inside work. That's the reason why everybody needs to know that more than Boko Haram. God will punish you for crying. 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 Hey, Mustafa, don't do. Let us send anything. Let us send anything. I'm here.
I can invest.
This one, this book now, you blood they pen this book. I'm blood they pen the change color of this. You blood they change color of this.
Talk.